Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to start a spotlight search within a Finder window on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be signed into the account for your computer. So we're gonna start this tutorial, and now let's just click on or navigate to Finder. We can go all the way down to the dock, check if Finder is available within the dock, or we can use Command N to open up a new Finder window. And now to start a spotlight search within the Finder window, Command F. And now let's search for computer science videos to see what shows up on screen. And everything regarding the subject on screen: folders, documents, mails and messages, contacts, images. We can also use the spotlight search on desktop to search for anything within our system. Let's just navigate to a new desktop. Click on the desktop itself and now Command space for a spotlight search within all the system. And so let's go back to the current Finder window, close Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.